Happy New Year to everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is my first video really kind of ever, but also my first video unboxing. These are Christmas gifts to myself for working all through the holidays, 19 days in a row, and my first day off was yesterday. So I'm very excited to share with you some of the goodies that I gifted to myself over the last month for the holiday season. The first gift comes in this lovely little package, orange package, which if you are familiar with all the luxury packaging around, is some little something that I picked up from the Hermes store at the Nordstrom in Seattle during a recent trip in early December. And obviously from the size, this is a Twilly. Now I picked up one of the older designs from summer 2017. As you can see, lots of pretty blues, purples, greens, very summery. And this is the On a Summer's Day Twilly, 100% silk, and I was lucky enough to get this for $160, so not too horrible, but definitely looking forward to putting this on one of my bags to dress it up with some, either a pop of color on one of my black or more neutral bags, but also to add even more color and design to some of my colored bags. The next Christmas gift to myself was something I actually picked up. As you can see, shoebox from Giuseppe Zanotti. Picked this up in the Neiman Marcus sale. I don't know if this is gonna come up very well, but originally $810, but I was able to pick it up. It dropped down to $542. See if that picks it up. And an extra 33%, I believe, came with it. So let's get this opened up. And this is a pair of I think this is the Lavinia in a velvet brocade. This is an 80mm heel, but it also has quite a substantial platform, as you can see. I have an upcoming trip to Vegas, and I'm excited with the prospect of being able to use this. Can walk in it since it is got such a high platform. I'm estimating this is about an inch and a half platform, which makes this a very doable shoe. And with the thick block heel, it should be a lot easier to maneuver, and a nice ankle strap along with it. So that was my second present to myself for the Christmas holidays. The next just came in. I had put some items on layaway at Fashionphile. Great place for pre-loved items, and found some wonderful pieces that I put on layaway, and with the money that I earned from working over the holidays, I was able to pay them off, and I got them this past week. So I've already done a little bit of opening, couldn't resist looking at it, but I did rewrap it, and it comes in this with this lovely thank you card. Gotta love Fashionphile. They definitely appreciate their customers. And a little bit of swag Got this awesome little calendar to put in my office with lots of beautiful pictures of their offices and all the different handbags that they sell on their website. So I'm very excited to put that. Then I have a little receipt. And you know, the other really fabulous thing about Fashionphile, not only can you get free shipping, but you also have the opportunity to sell things back. But because Fashionphile is not everywhere, you can actually save even more money than what you would pay in your home state because you don't have taxes. So got the confetti in the Fashionphile bag, and it's all nicely wrapped. I'm gonna just kind of slip this out. And got the tags, which obviously this is an SLG, and if you can see, Chanel caviar quilted card holder in navy. So these aren't actually attached, but I love the little Fashionphile dust bags. So get this open, and voila, my new little beauty. Caviar Chanel card holder in the caviar leather and navy. Just a little bit of tarnishing on the Chanel CCs, but otherwise great condition, really no scratches. Got this front pocket, this larger pocket, and as you can see, move this finger, made in Italy. So I'm really looking forward to using this. I'm not sure if I'm going to carry my business cards in here, but I may also just use it as a little mini wallet to stick some credit cards, maybe a little bit of cash when I'm using one of my smaller bags. But very, very excited. This is my first Chanel piece. And as Minnie from Makes for All always says, if you're trying out a new fashion house and you're not sure, start out with an SLG. So I started out with an SLG. Finally, my big Fashionphile purchase, another piece that I put on layaway. Let's see. All right, Fashionphile. More thank you cards. This one didn't come with any swag. I'm a little disappointed, but I got the bag, so I'm stoked. Got the confetti. Open this up, and this is actually the authenticity card. You can, I'm not sure if you can see, it says Celine, but it comes with the info. Actually, this isn't the authenticity card. This is actually the care instructions. So comes in a Fashionphile dust bag. I should get rid of this box. So we've got the Fashionphile dust bag, and this piece actually also came with the Celine dust bag, but you can never have too many dust bags, in my opinion. Got to protect those luxury items. And voila, my new beauty. Oh, let me see if I can take this out a little bit more. This is a Celine trapeze bag in the navy and gray leather with the black, so it's actually a tricolor. This is a small, and let's open this up. This was in excellent condition, really just a few scratches, Beautiful hardware, gold hardware. Even have the stickers intact. And as you can see, it came with the Celine dust bag and the strap, and the 2 pockets. So, let's see. I think my new Chanel SLG, my little card holder mini wallet's gonna go great with this. It's gonna look fab. Oh, is this gonna, nope, this goes like this. Then twist. Oh. Grab that, twist it, and then close it. And see if I can put this on this ring, and on this ring, over here. So, got the strap, lovely leather strap to go with my new Celine small trapeze bag. Thanks for stopping by and checking out my new beauties for the 2018 year, and hope you have a blessed and wonderful new year.